So what happens now? You go back home. You'll get ready for the traveling show.
Yeah, I think that everyone of us kind of wants to go back home and get some rest because we've been in a box this whole time. So it's kind of nice to go out
back to real life.
See the sunlight. So then I'm coming back for the finale, and I might be singing a duet with Cher.
Cher?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
We talk and stuff. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
She just followed me on Twitter, and
come on, how amazing is
we
that?
started talking.
That's
how amazing
major.
is that?
So then after that, I'm so excited for the tour.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to see all the people that love the movie.